welcome back to my channel. My name is Minai. So today I'm going to share with you how to use vitamin A and the vitamin C correct way. So it's not what you think, and if you got some damage after using it, so I'm going to collect this and I'm going to tell you what exactly and what time and what are catalytic for your face to make you to use the vitamin A and the vitamin C serum. So if you're new to my channel or if you're the first time to see this face, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video, comment below. So today I'm going to share with you how to use the vitamin A and the vitamin C if you decide to use this product at the same time or if you decide to use only one of them. Let's start with the vitamin A. Vitamin A Latino is more recommended for the people who are 30 years old and above because it's a time whereby collagen, production of collagen become decreasing, so they do recommend. But even if you under 20, you can use it. I saw more good result to people under 20 whereby they're using. I'm the one of them. I was using vitamin A and I'm thankful my face is not that sensitive with vitamin A. Also, vitamin A is recommended to use it during night, not daytime, whereby it can make your skin more sensitive to sun during day. So in that way, they do recommend you to use vitamin A night only so that you can observe. And if your skin is more exfoliate, have damaged with the sun, please don't use vitamin A unless you get any recommendation from your dermatologist, then you can do that. But if your skin look more exfoliate, please don't use vitamin A. Or if your skin is kind of damaged with more sun, please don't ever use vitamin A. Also, when you're using vitamin A, if you don't know exactly if your skin is sensitive or not sensitive, it is recommended that when you apply to your face, just apply and observe it, not every day. You can apply today, then the day after tomorrow you want to apply, then the day after you can see. And if you discover any redness on your face, please stop using vitamin A. Stop at a particular time. Stop using. But if you see it's really function well, then you can continue using vitamin A. Vitamin A has many advantages, and there's a video where I explain the advantage of vitamin A. Vitamin A, make sure you look on the description, and I explain for you how I've been using vitamin A and the vitamin C, the skin that like my skin keratin, which really helped me to clear out all my acne. I was having this terrible face, I can say very terrible face, which I've been using any kind of skin keratin, any kind of the product, but nothing worked with me. So look on my description box whereby you can what are my skincare routine and what I use to clear out my acne. So, and if you are pregnant, for those pregnant women, they don't recommend you to use the vitamin A serum on your face. They don't recommend you. So please, if you are pregnant woman, make sure you visit your dermatologist to see what kind of a product exactly can fit on your face. But vitamin A is not recommended for those people. So those are more characteristics that you should be supposed to be careful with your skin before. But if your skin being successful, like match with vitamin A, you can see you can get this massive benefit of vitamin A, whereby vitamin A help you even to create all spots, wrinkles, and a lot, and make your skin be good. So I've been using vitamin A exactly night, and sometimes I've been using it during day for my skin, and nothing bad happened to me. So sometimes you have to try out to see, but you're supposed to observe exactly what happened to your face. But for me, I can use both night and during day, and nothing happened to my face, but my face become more good than before. Okay, let's see for vitamin C. vitamin C is really recommended and it's applicable to all kind of skin, I can say, because it's really good and most people using vitamin C. But also it's good to look which kind of vitamin C you're using. Some people don't see any result and some people get more damaged. It has been recommended according to the research of scientists that vitamin C, which has L-ascorbic acid, is more researchable and more good to be used for your skin. Some vitamin C are not really good, so you're supposed to be careful with the brand because there is more serum. Like nowadays, there is more products. There's more product. It is crazy. So be careful with kind of products that exactly you are searching for. It's not like anything that you see has vitamin C. It's vitamin C, you just go and pick it out. So be careful, it's supposed to read what it contains inside and everything, and if it's good. And sometimes it's better to visit our dermatologist to know exactly what kind of vitamin C I can actually use if you don't have the correct answer. But L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C that has L-ascorbic acid is really recommended and is very good. Vitamin C can be applied to all kinds of skin, but also it's better to keep observing and to see. You can use it during day as it's no problem that, and you can use it night. I by myself sometimes end up use only vitamin C. Sometimes I end up use only vitamin A, but I can say the thing that really played a greater role to my skin is vitamin C because I'm using it so much, and I can use it morning and evening, and nothing bad happened to my skin since I've started to use both products. So vitamin C has many benefits, even if you have pigmentations and even skin wrinkles, something like that. Seriously, your skin is gonna be good. So you have to apply it every day. And the things that we don't really get good result is because we treat with heavy product. It's kind of people that just put heavy product. You put your serum, you put as a product, you put your moisturizer, then you come to put vitamin C or vitamin A after. This product is supposed to be the first one to put on your face just after washing your face. Make sure you put this as the first product. It's not that you need to wait until when you have your moisturizer and everything you put it. No, you're supposed to put as the first product on your face. So please mention that. So for the vitamin A is highly recommended because it's active or it's good for the all type of skin. But also if you see redness or anything that is not really good on your skin, is really recommended for you to stop immediately and face your dermatologist. But these are some ways which really help me and help some of my family members, whereby they just keep observing, and sometimes there's nothing bad happen with that, and sometimes it's not like once you see redness, you have to stop. You need to know what kind of product you're using. You need to know which kind of brand you're using. So you should be more careful with the product you are using. I do recommend the product from Indonesia. They really helped me a lot. I can say I have been using different kind of vitamin, but this product are really nice, really nice. They do help me, and I've been surprised to different places and give it to people, and they really help them. But also in every country there's this product, there's vitamin A, there's vitamin C. It's just a kind of to choose the right product for your skin. So that is all about vitamin A and vitamin C, and it's not bad for you to apply it every day. It's not bad. I do apply that. If I don't have vitamin C in my face, I feel like, yeah, that is how it is. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe right now. Let me know in the comment section what kind of video you like me to make. I will do my best to make it. So please make sure you subscribe, and see you so next video. Bye.